DIY video on the chimney repair.
Let them know what's up, B.
Well, chimney was leaking. They installed a new roof. They didn't install new metal. They hit him with the old oaky doke. So we're gonna tear all this out around here, all four sides of the chimney. Remove all the shingles, any bad wood. Put some ice and water down all around the chimney, wrap it up the chimney. Shingles, step flashing, some new counter flashing. Make sure we tuck it in, cut it, tuck it in there. Finish it off with some geosil and some shingles. See what we can do.
Let's do it.
Change just to grind at the beach, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself when you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking of my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll calls, now they want my photos down. I wish I could do